Hi, and welcome to Cool Fixin'. This video provides sensible precautions to prevent kicked-in exterior doors in vacant units. First of all, deadbolt locks on doors are useless. It is just as easy to kick in a door with or without deadbolt locks. When you have a vacant unit, make sure that you do not leave tools or other items which can be quickly stolen. Leave at least one back window cracked open with the screen removed. Somebody can now enter your house without breaking your door. Install door stops at your back door. Install a 1x4 as a bar between those door stops. Cut another piece of 1x4 and place it behind the horizontal bar to force the door closed. Install a shim so that the latch does not engage the strike. If somebody kicks down this door, no damage will occur to the jamb because the latch is not in the strike. We used a fragile 1x4 between the door stops instead of a stronger 2x4 because less damage will be done to the door if somebody decides to kick down your door. Do these suggestions sound crazy? Well, accept the real world that you cannot prevent anybody from entering your vacant unit. It is easy to break windows and doors. Use a quality alarm system. People break in, they see there's nothing easy to steal, and they leave before the police arrive. Please like us. That really makes us feel great. And check out other tutorials from Cool Fixin'. Thanks for watching.